Most people train their chest, their abs, their arms, but only a few train the muscle that determines dominance the moment you walk into a room. Your neck. A weak neck makes a strong body look incomplete, but a powerful neck, it changes your presence, your posture, your aura. Today, I'm going to give you the complete full neck workout routine. No machines, no expensive equipment, just raw calisthenics, resistance, and discipline. This is the same system used by fighters, wrestlers, athletes, and warriors. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a strong, thick, powerful neck safely from your home or your gym. Years ago, someone met a fighter. Not the biggest guy, not the heaviest. But when he entered a room, people felt his presence. Someone asked him, "What makes you so unshakable?" He placed his hand on the back of his neck and said, "Strength starts here." Because neck strength is not just physical, it's psychological. A strong neck symbolizes discipline, durability, toughness, the ability to take pressure and not break. Your neck is the frame of your body. Fix the frame, and everything looks better. Exercise 1, neck flexion, 20 representatives x3. Lie on your back. Lift your head up slowly. This builds the front neck, the shield. Exercise 2, neck extension, 20 representatives x3. Lie on your stomach. Lift your head backward. This muscles protect your spine. Exercise 3, side neck raises, 15 representatives each side. Makes your neck wider. This is the muscle that enhances your silhouette. Exercise 4, isometric push, 20 seconds each side. Push your head forward, backward, and sideways into your palm. Exercise 5, shrug holds, 15 representatives. Traps plus neck combination. This builds thickness and dominance. Exercise 6, the fighter bridge, only when ready. Advanced only. Don't force it. This move turns your neck into armor. If you're beginners, do this 2 to 3 days per week. If you're intermediate, do this 3 to 4 days. If you're advanced, do this 4 to 5 days. Your neck grows faster than other muscles, but only when trained with control. You can have an average body, but a powerful neck makes you look unstoppable. You can have fear inside, but a strong neck makes you look fearless. This is the foundation of discipline, of presence, of respect. Start today, not tomorrow, not next year. Today, build the version of yourself that cannot be ignored. Stay disciplined, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next transformation.
Welcome to the Ultimate Fitness Challenge.